So before all of the benchmarks and that kind of stuff, let's go over all of the parts that we're going to be using inside of this computer. We got the Corsair 4000D case over there alongside some Arctic fans. We're going to be using an ASUS Z690 motherboard for the i7-12700K, and then we also have a 1TB NVMe that's in there right now. Now overall, this is a great motherboard. Something pretty cool about this is that it does come with an M.2 expansion if there's anybody that wants to actually install this. I'm not going to be installing this. I will of course be giving it to the owner of the computer. This is going to be a very easy, simple, budget friendly computer build. Now we did install 2 sticks of DDR5 here. There's not going to be any RGB going on in this computer either. Again, owner did not want that, so yeah. We also have a ZOTAC RTX 4060 that we're going to be tossing in here. 800 watt power supply, and I can't remember if I talked about this stuff. And that, my friends, is it. We got the motherboard, we got the CPU, we got the RAM, we got the NVMe, graphics card, case, fans, power supply. That's it. This build's going to take me like 10-15 minutes.